Alright y'all, what's good everybody on YouTube? So as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, look, your boy did hit on the Galaxy Foams on Sneakers app. So look, UPS man just dropped it off. We just ate. Finna go run and grab them, bring it back upstairs. We gonna talk about it, talk about a little bit of this, talk about a little bit of that, and then wrap up the video. Alright, so let's go. Let's grab these shoes right now. Look at it. Alright y'all, package secured. Let's go ahead and unbox them. Let's go. Alright y'all, what is good y'all? So now we back at the house. We finally get to unbox these sneakers, these Galaxy Foamposites, y'all. I'm so excited. This is my very first pair. Have I wore foams before? Yes. If my uncle's watching this, I ain't gonna lie, I tried in one of your pairs, big homie. But I can already see the Galaxy print right there, shining through. Ooh. Hit on my size. Now I don't know if this is gonna fit me because, like I said, I think I've only tried on a size 12 Foamposite before. But and the box is so crispy. Oh my goodness, there's not a flaw on this box. Yo, let's see. So as you can see, you got that Galaxy themed print for the Nike and the swoosh on the front or coming onto the side. As you can see from the size tag, on the size tag is gonna read Obsidian, Anthracite, Black, size 11.5, my personal size. Look, I didn't even think I was gonna hit on these, y'all. I'm just gonna be honest, but they here. Y'all wanna see them? Y'all already seen them before. Let me see, hold on. Let me fix y'all a little bit. We're gonna have it right there. All right, bet. If y'all see any clothes in the background, please look. I ain't want to take too much time, but it's time to unbox it. Ooh wee! Galaxy print paper. I know y'all seen this a million times already. If you've been tapped in, locked in, it's my first time gonna be seeing these in person. I see it peeking through. Already, I see it peeking. Oh my gosh. I see it peeking through. Nah. Yes, sir. Let's take them out. Oh. Wow. Ooh wee. Oh, them things too clean, boy. With the glow in the dark bottoms. Oh, I didn't get a chance to cut my nails. It is what it is. Please don't judge me. Ooh wee! That is enough of the box. We're gonna put this to the side. So if you were born in 2012, if you were born in the 2010s, you wouldn't understand how big of a release this was when it originally came out. But when these originally came out, y'all, I feel like this really built the hype craze for resale. Like, you know, Jordan still resale stuff like that, but when this came out, everybody knew that this was just one of them ones that just changed the game. As you can see, you got that print, Galaxy print out on the side there. Got that carbon fiber there. On the bottom, you got herringbone traction pods, glow in the dark. So I don't even know how to make them glow in the dark, if I'm gonna be quite honest. If I can get an opportunity to get B-roll to do that, I will do that. You have that logo right there on the tongue, also on the back, and then the iconic remove before flight tag. Hey, y'all, this was one of them ones. Like if you could have one Foamposite, now I ain't gonna lie, they do have some other dope Foamposites, but this was the Foamposite grill. Everybody from the DMV already know, foams never died, but you know, just the Galaxy foams, you just had to be there. 2012 was a crazy time. Was it 2012? Yeah, look, I was a freshman in high school. That's when I first started to get to know about like the sneaker culture. I mean, I knew a little bit about Jordans, but not really. So yeah, my high school self would be just ecstatic right now. I'm ecstatic right now. I low-key won't try these on right now. If I'm gonna be 100% honest, I need to make sure they fit. I'm not selling these. People was like, are you gonna sell these? I'm like, no. Like, if you gonna have one Foamposite, it might as well be this. you might as well make this be your one, and then that be it. Now, I don't know how to style these. I'm gonna have to find that out, but Galaxy Foamposites, let me know in the comment section below. Were you able to grab your hands on a pair of these? Was there anybody out there that was able to participate in All-Star Weekend in San Francisco? Look, I had to work. We was not going to San Francisco for sneakers. But if you did, let me know in the comment section. They had a bunch of sneakers dropped. They had basically all future releases that haven't came out. I don't know if they had white cements there, but I know white cements came out. I know these released. I know people had the opportunity to get Union Jordan 1s. They had did I say Flu Games already? Flu Game 12s. Those are also coming out this Saturday. Definitely stay tuned for that video because, we got in-store pairs. Is it my size in-store? Unfortunately not, but that's for that video. You gotta wait for that story there. But, a bunch of shoes that came out All-Star Weekend, All-Star Week, whichever one you want to call it. Y'all let me know if y'all copped anything from that event. But more importantly, these did drop on sneakers. What was it? Last Thursday. Yeah, these dropped last Thursday, which is like February 20th, maybe the 21st. I'm not entirely for sure. Don't kill me in the comments. But Galaxy Foams, how do you rate this Foamposite amongst all the other Foamposites that may be in your top 5 list? I can't give you a top 5 right now, but y'all let me know y'all top 5 in the comment section. And is this one of your top 5 Foamposites? Y'all let me know in the comment section. I just wanted to keep this video real short, sweet, simple. Get my personal reaction opening up these sneakers. I'm gonna have to see y'all in the next one. Flu Game 12s coming out. Y'all going for the Flu Game 12s? Or you pass on them? I still got the 2016 pair. And the 2016 pair I took good care of them. 12s are like tanks, first of all. And they look great still. So even if I do get my size, I don't know, man. It's like, is it even worth it? Y'all let me know. But outside of that, Galaxy Foams. Look, we ain't gonna do too much of an in-depth review on feet, nothing like that. This is just to get my quick little unboxing. Appreciate y'all for watching as always. Yeah, your boy be having to edit all this footage, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all in the next one. This is insane. Your boy, retail does, shout it. All right, yeah. It's your boy Moody. I'm checking out. Make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up, notification bells for any future videos that I might have coming out, especially within the sneaker culture, traveling, etc. I'll see you there. All right, I'm gone.